Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the built-in string methods which is available in Python. So Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on strings. So all string methods written in new value, they do not change the original string. So today onwards we are going to use a Jupyter notebook. On the right hand side you can see the Jupyter notebook. So let's see one by one. Now we are going to test capitalize method which converts the first character to the uppercase. So for example, let's say x equal to ABCD. When I say print x dot capitalize, see A becomes the capital. The same way, if you want to lower case to become make them all lower, then x equal to, for example, ABCD, and print x dot case fold, then all becomes lowercase. Okay. Likewise, we have multiple methods where you can use built-in types. Boolean values. In programming, you often need to know if an expression is true or false. You can evaluate any expression in Python and get one of two answers, true or false. When you compare two values, the expression is evaluated and Python returns the Boolean answer. For example, let's see print 10 greater than 9, shift enter, true. Same way, print 10 is equal to 9, false. Print 10 is less than 9, false. Evaluate values and variables. The Boolean function allows you to evaluate any value and give you true or false in return. For example, evaluate a string and a number. Print bool hello. What it is going to return? Let's see. It's true. If anything is inside the string, then it becomes the true. The same way, for example, print bool function, it doesn't have anything, then it will become false, which means that if string contains something, then it becomes true. If string doesn't have anything, then it becomes false. The same way, numbers. Print bool function. If it is 0, then it will return false. Print bool other than 0, like greater than 0, then it becomes true. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you again.